All right, this guy wants to know, how do you put images into comments on posts? Well, I would go to his post and I would demonstrate it there, but he's turned comments off in his post. So let me go to mine. Let me go to one of my posts. I go to my content, find one of my 79 posts, and look right here. Here's commenting right there. I can comment. So how do you get an image in there? Well, you got to copy and paste the image. Now, one way I could do it is I can, on a Mac, I can do screen capture, do that. And now here you can see there's the image. I can grab it and look, drop it right there. Okay, I could drop it right there. Boom, upload the image. But I don't want to put that one. So let's just do another one. Let's go and get another image. So I can go over here to images, go to Finder. Let me go to Dropbox. Let me go get an image. Give me a minute to go find the image. So now I got an image. I'm in Finder, or maybe it's Explorer. I'm going to copy the image. I'm just going to simply copy it. Then I'm going to come back here to Quora, and I'm going to paste. Uploading the image. This is an image. Copied and pasted into a Quora comment on a Quora post. Boom. Add the comment. Done. Let me show you another way to do that. Let me get rid of that. Let's go to a Quora question. I'm going to just go to a Quora question. Open that up. I'm going to add a comment to this question. Look, I can mark over here, right click and copy this image out of Finder or out of Windows Explorer. Come over here and Control V or right click. Let's see, right click and paste. And I paste an image. Pasted an image I copied from Finder. Add comment. That's how you do it. Hope that's helpful.